Hello, welcome to my summary of the day number 2 at the EURADOS 2022 conference here in Belgrade. First of all, I would like to start with the summary of the first session I attended yesterday. And we were discussing a little bit about radiation measurements using drones, and also one interesting presentation from Norway, from the Norwegian Radiation Authority, about radioactivity in foodstuff after the Chernobyl accident. Very interesting data. The average dose coming from the Chernobyl accident to the Norwegian population was 0.3 millisievert per year. We can compare this with radon exposure that gives around 5 times more dose per year. After lunch, we started with the radon sessions, and yesterday's afternoon session was about radon as a tracer. And we had also presentations from Francesca Tugnoli from Politecnico Milano about their new radon chamber, accredited ISO 17025. We also had a presentation from the PTB from Stefan Redgar, about the new active radon source they developed at the PTB. And the last presentation was given by Claudia Rossi from University Politecnica Catalunya about the TraceRADON project and new radon monitors to measure very low levels. So this is the brief summary of what happens yesterday at EURADOS, working group number 3. Today we are also here in Belgrade, and be ready for tomorrow with my video with a summary of what happens in EURADOS, day number 3. And before finishing the video, look at this fantastic painting of Belgrade here from my hotel room. Bye bye!